In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Revolut transfer not working. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You want to use a stable Wi-Fi or a mobile data. Try switching networks or restarting your router. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and make sure that the Revolut servers are up and running. You can simply search for Revolut server status online. The third thing you want to do is simply go to Profile Personal Details and make sure that you have verified your account. Also, check recipient details completely, because confirming the recipient name, account number, sort code, IBAN and BIC SWIFT is very, very important. Even a small mistake can cause the transfer to fail. You can also try removing and re-adding the recipient if you want to, or even checking if there is any updates with the application. If none of it works, you might need to simply go ahead and try another payment method, wait and try again, or contact Revolut support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.